Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lucy and today we'll be making your very own cute delivery gift. It is super easy and fun to make. First, you will need to have a small rectangular piece of paper, a pencil, a knife, and as a gift, I'll be using a dollar bill, but you can use whatever you want. Now that you have what you need to make a cute delivery gift, we can get started. Follow along while I make the cute delivery gift. If you need to catch up, you can pause the video anytime you like. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. See you in the next video. Bye!